With a geography as varied as its rich history and diverse population, Canada is a captivating nation to discover. Few places on the planet boast natural wonders as breathtaking as those found in Canada. Spanning from coast to coast, each province presents its own distinctive marvels. As the second-largest country globally, Canada continues to draw tourists with its variety, warm hospitality, and stunning landscapes. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a nature enthusiast, Canada offers something for everyone. Renowned for its ethnic diversity, it's a haven for outdoor activities like fishing, rock climbing, canoeing, and kayaking, making it a dream destination for adventurers. Thanks to the myriad communities that have settled here, Canadians can enjoy a rich array of international cuisines, reflecting the cultural tapestry of the nation. Canada exemplifies the beauty that arises when various cultures come together. Banff National Park is one of Canada's great national treasures, attracting millions of visitors every year. Encompassing a portion of the Rocky Mountains, the park is home to beautiful turquoise lakes mirroring the snow-covered peaks, along with glaciers and forests. Since 1985, it has been included in UNESCO's list of protected natural and cultural monuments. The park is famous for its iconic turquoise waters, particularly at Lake Louise and Moraine Lake, where the brilliant colors are the result of glacial meltwater reflecting sunlight. Outdoor enthusiasts flock to Banff year-round, drawn by opportunities for hiking, skiing, and wildlife viewing. It's not uncommon to spot elk, bighorn sheep, and even grizzly bears roaming through the valleys. The charming town of Banff, with its vibrant shops, cozy lodges, and inviting restaurants, serves as a hub for adventure and relaxation alike, offering a perfect blend of modern amenities and rustic charm. The Icefields Parkway, which winds for 230 kilometers through the 3,000-meter-high mountains, connects Banff and Jasper National Park to the north, while the park's extensive trail system caters to all levels of hikers, making it easily accessible for families and experienced hikers. When it comes to discovering the Canadian Rocky Mountains, Jasper National Park stands out as an exceptional destination. Nestled in Alberta, Jasper is among Canada's oldest and largest national parks, encompassing an impressive 4,200 square miles of untamed wilderness, defined by towering peaks, deep valleys, and numerous glacial lakes. This vast area offers ample space to explore and countless breathtaking views and natural wonders to enjoy. Whether you're an adventure seeker, eager to tackle raging rapids or climb frozen waterfalls, or someone who prefers to unwind and take in the serene sounds of nature, Jasper National Park has something for everyone, and then some. The park's varied ecosystems are home to a wide range of wildlife, including elk, moose, black bears, and wolves, making it a top spot for wildlife observation and photography. Additionally, Jasper is designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to its remarkable geological features and unspoiled natural landscapes. Its status as a dark sky preserve also makes it an ideal location for stargazing, allowing visitors to experience breathtaking night skies far from the glare of city lights. Quebec City, the only fortified city in North America and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is situated on steep cliffs that provide stunning views of the St. Lawrence River. Lawrence River. Known for its charming cobblestone streets and European atmosphere, many believe that Canada's oldest city offers a reprieve from the rest of North America. Once you visit, it's easy to feel as though you've crossed into a different continent. French is the primary language here, with over 80% of residents speaking it natively, making English much less common than in Montreal. A walk through the city reveals croissants on nearly every menu and statues of French military figures adorning public squares. Despite its French character, Quebec City boasts a unique style and a rich history all its own. Established by French explorer Samuel de Champlain in 1608, who named it Quebec, derived from an Algonquian term meaning where the river narrows, the city's advantageous position above the St. Lawrence River. Lawrence made it a lucrative hub for fur trading in Europe. Today, it stands as one of Canada's premier cultural destinations, offering a vibrant culinary scene, impressive architecture, and a range of accommodations that cater to all types of travelers. Whistler, Canada's most renowned ski destination, is situated at the base of the towering Whistler and Blackcomb Mountains. Together, these majestic peaks create the largest winter sports area in North America, while the lively Whistler Village offers direct access to some of the finest skiing available. Whistler had already gained international recognition prior to co-hosting the 2010 Winter Olympics with Vancouver, which is just a scenic 90-minute drive away. However, the Games significantly boosted the resort's reputation as a premier recreation destination. Attracting visitors from around the globe, the village features a diverse range of accommodations, from cozy condos to upscale hotels, all lining the charming pedestrian-only village stroll. This pathway is filled with numerous attractions, including delightful dining options in various restaurants, as well as shopping in boutique stores, art galleries, and gift shops. Encircling the village, the rugged landscape showcases a stunning blend of wild rivers, shimmering teal lakes, dense forests, and dramatic volcanic peaks. The rural allure of a picturesque landscape featuring a patchwork of farms, sandy beaches, and dramatically eroded cliffs adorned with lighthouses is an irresistible draw for visitors. Add attractions like the home and setting for one of the most beloved characters in children's literature, and Prince Edward Island, often abbreviated as PEI, offers a wealth of activities for every kind of traveler. As Canada's smallest province, PEI is also among its most beautiful. According to a legend from the Micmac First Nations, the god Glooskap painted the world's most stunning places, and after dipping his brush in every hue, created Abegweit, his favorite island. Toronto, the capital of Ontario, is Canada's largest city and one of its most culturally rich. It boasts a vibrant array of attractions and memorable sites, ranging from museums and galleries to the iconic CN Tower. Just a short drive away lies the stunning Niagara Falls. There's no shortage of activities to enjoy, from the lively entertainment district, known for its latest musicals and exquisite dining options, to the historic distillery district, filled with distinctive shops and eateries housed in beautifully restored buildings. The downtown area is relatively easy to navigate, with many key attractions within walking distance and a convenient subway system for longer trips. If you visit Toronto in the winter, take advantage of the extensive path network of underground walkways that link shopping, entertainment, and various attractions. In the summer, stroll along the picturesque waterfront and take in some of the city's finest beaches and parks. Mont-Tremblant is a charming city located in the Laurentian Mountains of Quebec, roughly a 90-minute drive north of Montreal. It is primarily renowned as a ski destination, featuring two outstanding ski areas, Mont Tremblant, the tallest peak in the Laurentians, and Mont Blanc. Mont Tremblant itself is the more prominent resort, frequently ranked as the top ski resort in eastern North America. Its fame largely stems from its acquisition by Intrawest, which transformed it into a year-round European-style village, offering winter skiing and summer activities such as golf, hiking, and mountain biking. Additionally, the Mont Tremblant International Airport facilitates easy access to the resort. The term Mont Tremblant usually pertains to the mountain and the resort village. However, the old Mont Tremblant village is just 10 minutes away, while downtown Mont Tremblant is about 20 minutes distant, all part of the broader Mont Tremblant region. The expansive Mont Tremblant National Park also enhances the area's appeal. Nestled between the majestic coast mountains and the shimmering waters of Okanagan Lake, this valley boasts a unique microclimate that supports an array of crops, making it one of Canada's prime agricultural zones. Visitors can explore picturesque orchards filled with ripe peaches, cherries, and apples, as well as vineyards producing award-winning wines, particularly rich in varietals like Cabernet Sauvignon and Pinot Gris. The region's diverse terrain offers a wealth of outdoor activities, from hiking and biking along scenic trails to water sports on the lake. With its captivating landscapes, vibrant communities, and a lifestyle centered around nature and sustainability, the Okanagan Valley is a true gem of the Canadian landscape, attracting tourists and residents alike who seek both adventure and tranquility. Situated on the western coast of Vancouver Island, Tofino is a secluded retreat where visitors come to immerse themselves in nature, enjoy ocean activities, and unwind at coastal resorts. The town's small size provides a sense of escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life, while still offering a range of activities, comfortable accommodations, and even upscale dining options. Beyond the beaches, guests can venture along rugged hiking paths that wind through ancient forests, revealing a variety of wildlife, including black bears, sea otters, and migrating birds. Tofino is also a center of indigenous culture, with the Nuu-chah-nulth people playing a vital role in the region's history and ongoing environmental stewardship. The local culinary scene is particularly noteworthy, with an emphasis on fresh seafood that allows guests to indulge in the tastes of the Pacific. Tofino captures the hearts of all who visit, embodying the essence of the wild, untamed beauty of Canada's West Coast. Kelowna, the largest city in British Columbia's Okanagan region, is situated at the heart of the province's premier wine country. Nestled along the eastern shores of Okanagan Lake and framed by majestic mountains, it offers a stunning backdrop for visitors. The surrounding hills are dotted with numerous vineyards and wineries, inviting guests to partake in wine tastings and tours, where they can savor some of the area's acclaimed varietals while soaking in the breathtaking scenery. In addition to its vibrant wine culture, Kelowna features a dynamic art scene, complete with galleries, theatres, and festivals that highlight local talent and heritage. Throughout the year, the city offers a wealth of activities, with the valley and mountains playing a significant role in attracting visitors. Skiers, hikers, mountain bikers, and wine lovers all flock to the area to experience its diverse offerings. While the natural beauty remains the primary allure, there are also plenty of indoor attractions to enjoy. Kelowna truly embodies the spirit of the Okanagan Valley, delivering a memorable experience for all who come to explore. Revelstoke is one of the best ski resorts in Canada. For a while, this BC mountain town managed to stay under the radar, keeping its incredible snow conditions, moderate temperatures, and stunning scenery a relatively well-kept secret. However, in recent years, adventurers have been flocking to Revelstoke in summer and winter alike. Known as a must-visit destination for avid skiers and snowboarders, the magic of the mountain is not to be missed in the winter months. The community is also known for its friendly atmosphere, with various festivals and events throughout the year that bring residents and visitors together. Blending the beauty of nature with urban life, Stanley Park stands as Vancouver's foremost park and is home to several well-known tourist attractions. Located at the western edge of the downtown peninsula, it is just a short walk away from skyscrapers and shopping districts. This closeness to the city enhances the charm of Stanley Park's towering centuries-old red cedar and Douglas fir trees. While it is a favored destination for tourists, locals are equally enamored with this green oasis, providing a much-needed escape from the fast-paced environment of Vancouver. In mere minutes, visitors can feel as though they've stepped into a different realm. Today, the park ranks among Vancouver's top destinations, featuring winding forested trails that lead to breathtaking vistas, important landmarks, and dining options. The most popular path is the Seawall, a scenic route for walking, jogging, and biking that encircles Stanley Park. A visit to Stanley Park is essential when in Vancouver, whether you choose to explore it independently or join one of the popular guided tours. The Rideau Canal, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a remarkable waterway that stretches 202 kilometers through Ontario, linking Ottawa to Kingston. Originally constructed in the early 19th century as a strategic military route, the canal now serves as a scenic recreational paradise for locals and visitors alike. One of its most enchanting features is its transformation into the world's largest skating rink during winter, attracting thousands of skaters who glide along its frozen surface, flanked by picturesque landscapes and cozy food stalls offering hot drinks and delicious snacks. The lush greenery surrounding the canal, along with its charming stone bridges and heritage buildings, creates a stunning backdrop for leisurely strolls. The canal is not just a hub for outdoor activities, it also plays a significant role in Ottawa's cultural life, with festivals and events hosted along its shores, including the popular Winterlude Festival. Located just a few hours north of Toronto, Algonquin Provincial Park is Ontario's most beloved natural destination, boasting stunning lakes, rivers, and pristine wilderness, rich with wildlife. The park features an array of hiking trails that cater to all levels, from short, leisurely walks to extensive, multi-day hikes, providing access to its breathtaking landscapes. Trails vary from easy, flat pathways on boardwalks to more challenging routes that ascend ridges, offering spectacular viewpoints. Many paths wind through marshes and bogs, circle beaver ponds and lakes, traverse ancient pine forests, and pass by the remnants of historic logging camps. In spring, it's common to spot moose and other wildlife along the roadsides or trails. Although summer sees a surge in visitors, the park's vast trail system ensures that hikers can still find solitude. In autumn, Algonquin dazzles with a vibrant display of red, orange, and yellow foliage, attracting photographers and nature enthusiasts eager to witness the stunning transformation. Hiking along the elevated ridges that overlook the forests and lakes is one of the most rewarding ways to appreciate the beauty of the season. With its mountain backdrop and urban beaches, Vancouver has the rightly earned reputation of being one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Positioned amidst expansive valleys, vibrant temperate rainforests, and imposing mountain ranges, Vancouver, British Columbia, epitomizes the essence of the West Coast. Although relatively new compared to other Canadian cities, Vancouver boasts the title of being the most ethnically diverse and densely populated, with over 500,000 residents packed into its compact downtown area. Despite its bustling atmosphere, after successfully hosting the 2010 Winter Olympics, Vancouver consistently ranks as one of the most livable cities worldwide. For outdoor enthusiasts, Vancouver is a paradise, featuring 3 world-class mountains just a 15-minute drive from downtown, alongside hundreds of parks and campsites, thousands of hiking trails, one of the longest seawalls in the world, and countless rivers and lakes waiting to be explored. Niagara Falls, located on the border between Canada and the United States, is one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders in the world, attracting millions of visitors each year. The Canadian side, known as the Horseshoe Falls, offers a breathtaking view of the thundering water that plunges over 50 meters into the gorge below, creating a mesmerizing mist that often produces vibrant rainbows on sunny days. The sheer power of the falls is palpable, as approximately 168,000 cubic meters of water rush over the edge every minute, creating a thunderous roar that can be heard from miles away. Visitors can experience the falls up close through boat tours, which take you right into the heart of the cascading waters, providing a thrilling and refreshing experience. The charming town of Niagara-on-the-Lake, just a short drive away, offers quaint shops, fine dining, and historic sites, making it a perfect complement to the natural beauty of the falls. As day turns to night, the falls are illuminated in a spectacular array of colors, creating a magical atmosphere that enchants all who come to witness this natural marvel. With its breathtaking scenery, thrilling adventures, and rich cultural experiences, Niagara Falls remains an unforgettable destination that captures the hearts of all who visit. Welcome to Gros Morne National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Newfoundland. Spanning over 1,800 square kilometers, the park showcases a diverse landscape that includes dramatic cliffs, fjords, rolling hills, and pristine lakes. The area's geological significance is highlighted by the exposed rocks that date back over 1 billion years, providing valuable insights into Earth's history. The park is home to a rich array of wildlife, including moose, caribou, and various bird species, making it a fantastic destination for nature lovers and photographers alike. Montreal is a dynamic city that caters to a wide range of interests. With its fantastic culinary scene, lively nightlife, numerous museums and art galleries, lush parks, and distinctive architecture, there's always something engaging to explore. As one of Canada's most vibrant cities, Montreal also boasts a rich historical tapestry. When French explorer Jacques Cartier arrived in 1535, he encountered a thriving community of St. Lawrence Iroquois, who are believed to have lived in the region for at least 3,000 years. Fast forward to the present, and the city is steeped in centuries of history, reflected in its diverse neighborhoods, abundant museums, guided tours, and remarkable architecture. Yet, Montreal also resonates with contemporary energy, featuring a lively music and nightlife scene, a top-notch design and technology sector, and some of the finest cuisine in the world. From the Plateau to Verdun, a visit to Montreal will leave you enriched, satisfied, and perhaps a bit weary, all signs of a memorable trip. Canada's capital city, Ottawa, is situated along the southern shore of the Ottawa River and is divided by the Rideau River and the Rideau Canal. This bilingual city has a population that predominantly speaks both English and French. It showcases a rich tapestry of cultures from around the globe, while also preserving Canada's cultural heritage. Regardless of the season, Ottawa stands out as one of the premier destinations in Canada for those looking for an exciting city getaway or a brief visit. Established in 1850 and designated the national capital by Queen Victoria in 1857, Ottawa features wide avenues and historic architecture, making it particularly enjoyable to explore on foot. The city centre, anchored by the iconic government buildings on Parliament Hill, is home to many of Canada's most significant cultural landmarks. While the numerous parks and green spaces are delightful in spring, summer, and fall, a winter visit is equally worthwhile. Like many other capital cities worldwide, Ottawa boasts a variety of national attractions, along with countless other activities, making it easy to spend several days immersing yourself in all that the city has to offer. Despite the modern skyscrapers that have emerged in recent years, Halifax remains primarily characterized by its star-shaped citadel perched atop a hill. As the capital of Nova Scotia, it serves not only as the commercial heart of Canada's maritime provinces, but also as a significant research hub, home to 6 universities and colleges. The city boasts a stunning natural harbour that extends deeply into the Atlantic coastline, lined with docks, piers, parks, and industrial areas. This harbour and its maritime heritage continue to influence life in Halifax, where many attractions, ranging from a vibrant entertainment scene rich in maritime music to various museums, reflect the city's strong connection to the sea. Halifax is also a key entry point for immigrants arriving from Europe and is the port closest to the Titanic disaster, with both historical events leaving their mark on the city. As you explore, you'll encounter reminders of its past, while also enjoying the lively atmosphere that makes Halifax a vibrant place to discover. The capital of Newfoundland, St. John's, is set on hillsides that overlook one of the most remarkable natural harbors in the world. The location is stunning, and unlike many urban centers, it closely integrates with its harbor, allowing ships to navigate right through the heart of both its commercial and residential areas. As the oldest city established by Europeans in North America, St. John's has been a base for fishing vessels from various nations since the 1500s, retaining a distinctive maritime ambiance to this day. While many of its attractions highlight its rich and fascinating history, a variety of activities in and around the city also connect you with the natural beauty and wildlife of eastern Newfoundland, characterized by its rugged coastline and the diverse seabirds and marine life that inhabit the waters. The phrase Jelly Bean Row refers to St. John's vibrant, colorful row houses, which aren't confined to a single street, but can be found across many groups of painted wooden homes dotting the hillsides. Parliament Hill, located in the heart of Ottawa, is not only the political centre of Canada, but also a stunning architectural marvel that attracts millions of visitors each year. Dominated by the iconic centre block with its majestic Peace Tower, the site is a symbol of Canadian democracy and governance. The Gothic Revival architecture, characterized by its intricate stonework and soaring spires, is a testament to the nation's history and heritage. Visitors can explore the beautifully landscaped grounds, which feature gardens and pathways that provide a serene escape from the bustling city. Throughout the year, Parliament Hill hosts various events, including the changing of the guard ceremony during the summer months, drawing crowds eager to witness this vibrant display of Canadian pageantry. The area also offers guided tours of the historic buildings, where guests can learn about the legislative process and the significant figures in Canadian history. If you are from Canada, please comment number 19. Charming and tranquil, Nova Scotia is Canada's second smallest province, situated as a peninsula on the eastern edge of the mainland. Its extensive coastline is adorned with picturesque fishing ports, sandy shores, lush islands, and numerous delightful spots to explore. The landscape showcases a remarkable variety, ranging from the misty Atlantic Ocean in the southeast to the tidal salt marshes of the Bay of Fundy in the west, as well as the Gaelic highlands of Cape Breton to the north. The culinary scene is equally appealing, with fresh seafood, especially lobster and scallops, taking prominence in many eateries, complemented by farm-to-table dishes that emphasize local produce. In this maritime region, Nova Scotia enjoys a pleasantly breezy, albeit somewhat damp, climate. Summers are typically bright and sunny, though fog can frequently roll in, while winters bring snowfall. From the warmth of its people to the breathtaking natural beauty that surrounds it, Nova Scotia offers a diverse and enriching experience that captivates all who venture. You've likely seen photos of Abraham Lake in Alberta, whether you know it or not. Abraham Lake is well known for the dizzying amount of methane ice bubbles that are locked away in the lake's clear ice during the winter months. Created by the construction of the Bighorn Dam in the 1970s, the lake serves as a vital part of the region's hydroelectric system while simultaneously offering a picturesque setting for outdoor activities. Surrounded by rugged peaks and lush forests, Abraham Lake is a popular destination for hiking, camping and fishing, attracting nature lovers and adventure seekers year-round. The area is particularly famous for its striking blue hues, which result from the glacial silt suspended in the water, creating a captivating visual that draws photographers and sightseers alike. Yoho National Park gets its name from the Cree expression for wonder and awe, which should tell you something about just how beautiful this place is. Yoho National Park has magnificent mountain scenery and is one of Canada's most spectacular national parks. This UNESCO World Heritage Site encompasses snow-covered peaks, beautiful lakes, thundering rivers, distant glaciers, and massive waterfalls. Sightseeing and hiking are the most popular things to do in Yoho. Yoho's extensive trail system caters to all levels of hikers, with routes that lead through lush forests, alpine meadows, and breathtaking viewpoints, which showcases glaciers and expansive vistas. Yoho National Park is a true gem of the Canadian Rockies, inviting all who visit to explore its rugged beauty and experience the serenity of the great outdoors. Shannon Falls is a breathtaking natural wonder that attracts visitors from all over the world. Plunging over 335 meters, it is one of the tallest waterfalls in the province and a stunning sight to behold. The falls cascade down a series of rugged granite cliffs surrounded by lush coastal rainforest that bursts with vibrant colors in every season. The sound of the water crashing against the rocks fills the air, creating a tranquil atmosphere that invites exploration and reflection. A network of well-maintained trails leads to viewpoints where visitors can capture stunning photographs or simply immerse themselves in the beauty of nature. The rich biodiversity, including various species of trees, wildflowers, and wildlife, adds to the park's allure, making it a perfect spot for nature lovers and families alike. Whether visited in the bright sunshine or the misty rain, Shannon Falls offers a serene escape that embodies the stunning natural beauty of British Columbia. We've explored some of the best destinations in Canada, and we hope these images have inspired you to plan your next trip. From majestic mountains to vibrant cities, each place has its own story to tell, and I'm excited to hear about your experiences. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to join me on my next adventures. And share which places in Canada you're most passionate about in the comments. Who knows, your story might inspire someone else. Keep your wanderlust burning. See you in the next video, where we'll continue our journey of discovering the wonders of the world.